Do you enjoy the video? I hope you enjoy and learn something from it. Now, let's do the exercise with me. Okay, listen to your teacher and color the pictures. 1. Frog. Color the frog. Okay, frog eat fly. So, you must color the fly. Do you get it? Okay, good. Now, let's move to the next page. Okay. Shark eat fish. Shark eat fish. So, you must color the shark and the fish. Okay, you finish? Okay, that's all for today. I hope you can finish this exercise with your mother and father. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.